Hello everyone, welcome to Hey Tools. I hope you all are well and doing so well, everything going so well. I hope you already seen the thumbnail that I am going to talking about Figma, and I will show you that how can you get Figma for education for 2 years and for free today. And today's video will be on this. Let's start. That's you have seen this already. That I hope that this mail is showing that welcome to Figma education plan, and you are now verified as a student and have access to our education plan. That means I have got education plan from Figma, and this is Figma Professional plan. Now let me show you something that is quiz plan. We go there. This is the mail where everything you can see that which plan you have. This is your plan and we have got this. Okay, now this is education just like professional but limited to collaboration with verified education users. Okay, and now how can you get this education form for free? I'll show you that how can you get this. Okay, there's all features. You can see this, you can read this also. Just there is the mistake option, that is higher credit limits. That will be no in this features or in this subscription like for education. Let's see how can you make it, and I'll show you that how can you take it for free, for easy. Let's start. So dear friend, you have to set up your account perfectly. Like name, I am choosing anything. I can choose anything name. If I choose this Figma Pro, then continue, then learning design, then continue. Then you can choose anything student or educator. I am choosing educate student. Then online board course, then can choose anything like this one also, then skip. Okay, and finally we have reached our account perfectly after logging in. So now how can you get this for free for 2 year education? So simply go to this link, then get verified. Then there I am showing you that how can you get it free, and this must be followed by you all. So now let's click it, student, and what type of institution do you attend or work for? Simply you can choose anything like bootcamp or online program. And why are you applying for a free Figma plan? So you can give this answer from there also. I'm providing from my sheet that I have used for this taking this plan. So simply you can click this. Then now what is your school's name? Simply go there and search for Coursera. Simply click Coursera. Then what is your primary field of study? You can choose anything. I am going to choose this UI UX or interaction design. Then the file, this is the file, this is important for taking this for free. So you have to choose perfect file. Anything you can choose like syllabus or like a picture of anything, but it should be valid. and this is my file. This is UI UX syllabus. I have named this, and then share URL for course are taking. You have to choose a URL. Any URL you can use, but I am going to use my URL. So simply I will choose my URL. Copy this and paste it here. Oh, still not copied. Perfectly, you have to paste this. Then graduation, anything you can choose. I'm going to choose this. Then yes, I agree. Then yes, I agree. Then you have to click on submit. And after this, the message will send to your email that you are now verified with Figma for education. Okay. And in this way, you can get Figma for 2 years as a student and for education. You can use the professional version for free, and hopefully this video is very helpful to you guys. Those are UI UX designer and looking for Figma Pro version for free. And the message you will got from the Figma, this will be like, I'm showing you also this. This will be like this. The message will be from Figma and welcome to the Figma for education plan. Okay, I hope this is clear to you all and this video is very helpful to you. If you need anything, you can contact with us on our website. You can contact with us from our website, and also we will put our WhatsApp and Telegram on the comment box of our YouTube videos. If you need anything, contact with us, please. Thank you for watching.